welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soap using activated charcoal from coconut shells. For this video, I chose to use activated charcoal because it cleanses the skin, unclogs pores, removes deeper impurities, and dead skin cells. For this recipe, I'll be using CLC Cosmetics Natural Aloe Vera Soap Base SLS Free. Wow, look at this! So I love black as a color, and it's amazing how just a tablespoon made the whole soap black. I'm excited to try this one. I really think that the benefits that charcoal has are great for the skin. I've read some reviews and people have said, wow, my skin looks amazing. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and do give this a try at home, and post photos on the comments below. We'd love to see it, and stick around for the next videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.